Hello friends, how to change brake fluid. Open the tank. With a slight movement and screw fitting involving in pumping on the brake cylinders of the certain circuit and pump rubber hose over them. Immerse the ends of the hose in constant of water and completely pump out the fluid from the system using the brake pedal. Pour new fluid into the tank until a clean composition flow from the hose. Tighten the fitting and pump fluids by pressing the pedal to remove air from the system. As soon as liquid without air begins to come out of the hose of the fourth tube, the hose are removed and the reservoir can return to its original place. Similarly, the calipers and cylinders are replaced. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.